Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Visual Studio 2022 and components, full guide step by step clearly. To begin uninstalling Visual Studio 2022, first, close any open instances of Visual Studio. Next, navigate to the control panel on your computer. In the control panel, click on Programs. From there, select Programs and Features. Now, locate Visual Studio 2022 in the list of installed programs. Click on Visual Studio 2022 to highlight it. Then, click the Uninstall button at the top of the window. A user account control prompt might appear. Click Yes to proceed. After this, the Visual Studio installer will launch. In the installer, you will see the installed components. Choose Remove to start uninstalling Visual Studio 2022. The process will take a few minutes, so be patient. If you have any additional components or workloads installed, you may see options to remove those as well. Select each component you wish to uninstall and click Uninstall. Once all components have been removed, the installer will inform you of the successful uninstallation. To ensure all files are deleted, check the installation folder, typically located in C:\program files /Microsoft Visual Studio /. If any files remain, you can manually delete the folder. Finally, to finalize the uninstallation, restart your computer. This will ensure that all changes are properly applied. With that, Visual Studio 2022 and its components are fully uninstalled from your system. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.